welcome back to the channel. How are you all today? Hope you're very well. Today marks a special occasion because we've got 300 subscribers now. We'd just like to thank every single one of you guys for subscribing. I've been watching it as it's creeping up and creeping up and creeping up, and before you knew it, you know, it jumped 100 in the space of a few weeks. So much appreciated for the shares, the likes, the subscriptions and all the comments, guys, for getting involved. To mark this night, we've decided we've taken the lawnmower out of hibernation and we're going to see if we can get this bad boy to do a little bit of a burnout. Of course, there ain't no proper burnout with pimp juice. So let's see if we can get this thing firstly to start and then secondly to do a burnout. Right. Full chat. Come on, baby, you can do it. Maybe the fucking hell. Maybe the problem with this lawnmower is I think it's a rotary. But come on, baby, you can do it. You can start. Come on. Oh, I think she's seized. Alright, we'll go for it. We'll go for it. That's full choke. That's half choke. Full send. Oh man. Oh. Yes. Oh yes. She didn't give up on us that easily. Get the pimp juice. Watch me go through the garage door. Burnout in a lawnmower. Obviously, a turbo lawnmower. First things first, put it forward. Then get that bitch in sixth. Get the clutch in. Go reds. Oh yes, it's alive. Oh, she's cooked it. Right, now we need to remove the burnout assister. And oh, we've got the bike. You thinking what I'm thinking? It's been a while. Yeah, fuck it. Right, well, look at the smoke, man. Oh, the old Bandit does me proud. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video because it is about 11:30 at night and my neighbours are probably phoned the police by now. Again guys, much appreciated for all the shares, likes, subscriptions and all the comments as well, and getting involved with all the builds and shenanigans I'm up to. Yeah guys, I suppose we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheerio guys!